Today's lesson is continue to solve comparison situations, and what we will do today, we will solve questions like question number 2 here. Let's see the question. Complete the comparison sentence. Find the value of the variable that makes the sentence true. 3 multiplied by m. I'm sharing my screen, my hero. Equals 48. 3 multiplied by m equals 48. Then m equals 48 divided by 3. And we will use the long division, the division algorithm, to divide 48 by 3. And we will complete the sentence here to find m. Okay, we'll start in page. My heroes, what's the number of this page? 334. Now I will play a video. I want you to focus with the video.
How can you solve a comparison problem involving multiplication as comparison? Think about this question during the lesson. Calvin's sister travels 4 times as far to college as he travels. How far does Calvin travel to college? Calvin's sister travels 192 miles to college. She travels 4 times as far as he travels. You need to find how far Calvin travels to college. What does the bar diagram show? The diagram shows multiplicative comparison with an unknown factor. What does m represent in the diagram?
Select your answer.
Ali Isa? Ali? Ali Riyad? Ali Raed?
Yes, Mr.
This is Ali Raed, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ali, what does M represent in this bar diagram?
Doesn't
Choose one of the two choices here. Miles Calvin travels or Miles Calvin's sister travels?
Miles Calvin travels?
Great. So you can see here that Calvin is M and his sister is M, 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 M. So this is 4M. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
see. So I will choose Miles Calvin travels. Right. Thank you, my hero.
You're welcome.
m represents the number of miles Calvin travels to college. Is m more or less than 192 miles?
Select your answer.
Hussein?
Yes.
Yes, my hero.
Yes.
M is more or less than 192?
Is more.
M is more. Can you see the
More
bar
than-
diagram here?
Less.
Yes, M is less than 192. As you can see in the bar diagram here, 192 is this line segment. And M is this block, the small rectangle in here. So it's less. Thank you.
m is less than 192 miles. The number of miles Calvin's sister travels, or 192 miles, is 4 times as far as Calvin travels.
My hero, mute your mic. Hussein, mute your mic. Thank you.
Why can you use a multiplication equation to describe this comparison? The comparison has 4 equal groups. Write a multiplication equation to find the number of miles Calvin travels to college.
Okay, we will try it, and I'll choose one of my heroes to help me with the equation. Ahmed Fahd. Oh. Ahmed Fahd.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, my hero, just
Equation
give me
to
a
find the
second.
number of miles Calvin travels to college.
Okay, now we have the image. We call it bar diagram, and we have also the objects that we can use. 192, this one, and M, this one, and the 4, this one. And we need to fill these places in the equation. So what should I put in each one? In the first one here. What should I put in the first one here? In the left side.
We'll put 100.
192.
Yes.
Okay. And here,
We will put 4.
4 and M, right?
Yes.
Because this is multiplication. We can put 4 first or M first. It's okay. So 192 equals 4 multiplied by M. Yes, because if you can see here with me in the image, we have 192 is the total number, and we divide this number into 4 parts. So 4 M's, M, 4 times, equals 192. Thank you, my hero.
$192 equals 4 times M. What number times 4 equals 192?
Okay, I want to ask a question here. Muhammad Hisham.
Yes.
My hero, if I ask you what number multiplied by 4 gives 192, what should we do to find M? What is the inverse operation of multiplication? What's the inverse of multiplication? Muhammad?
What?
What is the inverse of multiplication? The opposite of multiplication? Yes?
4. 4.
I'm asking about operation, my hero. Okay, I will ask the question again in another way. If I tell you that I have this question. Okay, Muhammad, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, I have this question. What number multiplied by 5 gives 35?
5 times.
It's 7, okay. It's 7. How to find the 7? What we do for the 35 and the 5?
We get so
The opposite of multiplication. This is multiplication. What's the inverse of multiplication?
35.
Yes. We will find 35 divided by 5. So in this case, we need to divide 192 by 4. Okay. Thank you, my hero.
Why can you divide to solve the problem? Since one of the factors in the multiplication equation is unknown, You can use division to find the missing factor. Multiplication and division have an inverse relationship. If 192 equals 4 times m, then m equals 192 divided by 4.
You know, just like you solved the equation 12 equals 4 times m by dividing 12 by 4.
What does the diagram show? The diagram is an area model for division. 4 times 40 equals 160, and 4 times 8 equals 32. So 4 times 48 equals 192, and 192 divided by 4 equals 48. You can also divide using an algorithm. M equals 48 miles. Calvin travels 48 miles to college. Now you know how to solve comparison problems involving multiplication as comparison.
Okay, my heroes. Now we move back to the book. And to page. What page is this?
335.
335.
Great, thank you.
335. 335.
Okay, my heroes. We are solving question number 1. Okay. Malik Salman. Malik. Abdulaziz Ruwaishid.
Mister,
Yes.
I'm Malik Salman.
Okay, my hero. Can you read question number 1?
Yes. Calvin's sister travels 3 times as far to college as his friend travels to college. Write and solve a related multiplication and division equation to find how far Calvin's friend travels to college.
Okay. Do you remember the number from the video?
Yeah.
It was
192.
192. Now this is 3 times m. We will use m as the number of miles
Okay.
that Calvin's friend travels. This time it's not the same m, it's another m. This is the friend, so we will call it m. So 3 times Calvin's friend, which is m, equals to 192. Okay, so this is the equation. How to solve this equation?
Division and multiplication.
Excellent. We will use division. So m equals 192 divided by 3. Okay. Can you help me with the division?
Yes.
Okay, I will do the division here. 192 divided by 3. Okay, my hero, go ahead.
19 divided by 3.
Yes.
18.
Yes, 18. And 3 times what gives 18? So, where to write the 6 and where to write the 18?
The 6 up and the 18 down.
Wow, I like my heroes. Okay, now we subtract.
Yes.
Okay,
9 minus 8 1.
great. And what should we do now?
Put the 2 down.
Great. Thank you. Maitham, continue. Maitham?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now it's 12 divided by 3.
Okay. 12 divided by 3.
Yes.
Wait. Nine.
9. 3 times 9 equals 12.
Four.
Yes, it's 4.
Four.
So,
I think you mean minus.
no, not minus. So, where to write the 4 and where to write the 12?
Write 4 up,
And 12,
down.
subtract,
0.
it will be 0. Okay, what's the quotient, my hero?
64.
The quotient is 64. So, M equals 64 miles. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes finish writing quickly.
I finished.
Great. Okay, now we move to the second question. Thamer,
Yes, mister.
okay, complete the comparison sentence. Find the value of the variable that makes the sentence true. 3 multiplied by m equals 48. So m equals 48 divided by 3. It's written already. Now, you help me with the division. 4 divided by
Okay.
3. Yes, my hero. 4 divided by 3.
What, mister?
4 divided by 3. 3 multiplied by what number gives less than 4?
1.
1, because 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. So I will write here 1 and down.
3.
Great. Subtract 4 minus 3.
1.
Okay, drop the next digit.
8.
Great. Now it's 18. 18 divided
18.
by 3. 3 multiplied by what gives 18?
18 divided 3.
Yes.
6.
Yes, it's 6.
Salih is opening his mic. Yes, Salih.
So, where to write the 6 and where to write the 18?
18, we write it down.
No, start up first.
6.
Yes,
Up.
6 up in the quotient and 18 down
And-
in the steps. And of course, 18 minus 18 equals 0. Okay, we need to
Zero.
complete this sentence, my hero.
Okay.
Okay. Space times as many as what is what? This sentence. How many times?
How many times
3
3?
times. As many as? As many as what? M
Yeah,
equals?
48.
Okay. And we solved it and we found that M equals what?
M equals
Yes, my hero, this is the answer here. The quotient.
16.
Yes, because when you divide 48 by 3, you will get 16. Okay, thank you,
Okay.
my hero. Okay, my heroes, any
I'm
questions? My heroes, finish writing quickly.
is finished. Me too.
Okay, great. Now I will send to you the link. Is there anyone writing?
Thank you. No.
Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen. Okay, let's start with the first question in the first quiz. Ali Dawhi.
Here.
Okay, if I know the total number of groups and how many are in each group, then I need to do what to find the number, how many altogether, to find out how many altogether.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I think here in this question, my hero, if I know the total number of groups and what's inside the group, so we need
you compare something. You ask
to find out how many altogether.
All together.
Yes. So multiply or
Multiply.
divide. So we will multiply. Thank you. Okay. Let's move to the next question.
Mr. See the wrong in the
Okay,
number.
Number 2, this one.
No, in the quiz number 2.
Ala,
Quiz number 2.
my heroes, mute your mics.
I said quiz number 2.
My heroes, mute your mics. Ala,
What?
in the second one, read it.
The second one.
Quickly, huh?
If I know the total number of objects and how many groups there are
What you do to get
There
what's in each group? Multiply or divide?
divide.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's move to the next question.
Okay, but Mr. After this,
My hero, you are wasting
see-
time. You are asking the same question again and again, and as you can see, I am solving. So I will tell you what you need. You are telling me that there is something wrong. I'm solving there. If there is something wrong, I will find it.
This,
Okay, I am solving this one first,
The
then
other
we will
is
move to
not
the
there.
second one. Abdullah Mubarak.
yes, Mr. Ahmadi.
Okay, if you have the total and you have what's in each group, what you do to get the number of groups?
Divide.
Divide. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next one. And Saleh. Abdulaziz Al-Khwaitem. Daniel.
Yes.
Abdulaziz or Daniel?
Abdulaziz.
Okay, Abdulaziz. Go ahead, quickly.
I know the answer.
Okay, go ahead.
Divide.
Okay, we will divide 18 by 3. So, thank you. Okay, the last one, my heroes, we have 5 days and each day 5 pizzas. So 5 multiplied by 5. We will multiply. Okay, I will move to the second one. Quickly, my heroes. and you said that there's something wrong here. In the first one, $24, and he charges $4 per loan. So 24 divided 4 equals, of course, 6. The second one, we have 24 loaves, and we will place them in 4 bags. So 24 divided 4 equals 6. Okay. In the third one, we have 460 people every day. Sorry, there is 460, and we need, yes, every day. No, a theater can seat 460 people at one time. If the theater fills every seat for 3 weeks, what are you going to multiply by? What are you going to multiply by?
We have to multiply.
Yes, so every week 460, or every day. Ala, you are speaking. You said that this is wrong.
No.
Okay, my heroes. So it will be 9,660 when you multiply 460 by 3 and multiply again by 7.
This are here.
I'm Muhammad al-Humaydan. Did you say my name?
Okay, thank you, my heroes. This is the end of our session, and goodbye.